everyone, Pamela here. Welcome back to another tutorial. So, in today's video, we're diving deep into Searchbug's Bulk Phone Validator tool, and we're specifically focusing on the advanced line type feature. If you're like me and you really want to be efficient when it comes to verifying your list of phone numbers, let's get started, shall we? So first and foremost, I need you to head over to Searchbug and log into your account. And once we're already on the home page, go to Business Services and then select Bulk Phone Validator tool. Alright, so we're here on the first step. That will be to upload your file. You can upload either a text, CSV, or Excel file. I have here a file ready. We can just go ahead and upload a file, click continue, and we're here on the second step. It's actually easy as 1, 2, 3. So now we have to identify the column. If you have like a lot of columns on your list or on your file, you can tag other unnecessary information as other and then the phone number as phone number. And also you can tick the box over here if your list has a header row with column names. Then click continue to next step, which leads us to the third step. That will be to select the service that suits our needs. And we selected advanced as this has 99.9% accuracy rate, and also this is the game changer I'm talking about. So this service gives us the SMS email address, the current phone number carrier, the line type, and also if the number has been ported. We all know that it actually costs between 1 cent to 5 cents per SMS text message, but you can actually do SMS marketing for free. Yes, that's right. You can send SMS text message for free with the help of the SMS email address. So once you have that, you can send an actual text message by sending an email to the SMS email address, and the recipient will receive that email as a text message. So that's the magic. Moving on to uploading the data. So here we can review how many records we have, the cost of the file, and the cost per hit. Also, we'll be able to check how long this will take. So the estimated processing time for this is 1 minute. Click process my data. And in just a few minutes, we'll be able to get a confirmation that our file is currently running, and we'll get an email notification once the file is ready. You can also check the progress of your batch by going to your batch dashboard, or you can click your name on the upper right hand corner and then select Bulk Dashboard. This is where you can download the file that you uploaded. And there you have it, everyone. You've mastered the advanced line type feature of Searchbug's Bulk Phone Validator tool. You're now ready to elevate your marketing game. And thank you again, everyone. Best of luck with your marketing endeavors. Have an awesome day, y'all.